I do is waste my money.
Waste my money, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what this video is going to be about, to be completely honest. It's just kind of a video because I was bored. I want to invite him into my vehicle, but I cannot invite him into my vehicle because as soon as I open up the door, I know that he will fly away.
And I want to feed him, but he is already very large.
And I ate all my food that I had in the car, so... He took it. He's eating it. Yeah. Friend. Oh, he's calling for his friends. Oh. As soon as he ate it, he was like... Ah! Oh my gosh. Should I give him another? Oh, now they're fighting. Okay, that's all. Yeah, I'm gonna drive to Wendy's, get French fries, and ketchup because I want to eat them too, and I don't have any ketchup, so. This is what I do, waste my money for the seagulls. Alright, let's hope I don't hit one. Oh my word, look at me, I'm driving.
Yes, I know I need windshield washer fluid.
Alright, we're going to, if you can't see me, that's alright. I swear on my life, if there is not ketchup in this bag... Oh, I missed! Who wants it? Who wants a French fry? Does who want it? I just really love eating seagulls. I don't know, that was the most fun that I've had in a while. I'm not even gonna lie. I have been embarrassing myself this entire evening.
I really just want to buy stuff. Am I a buyaholic? A shopaholic, I mean.
But now I'm like completely lost and I don't know where I'm going. So let me just tell you right now, something is not making sense. I drove past there hundreds of times and I did not see a Petco.
In half a mile, turn right into the car park.
I'm gonna go into Petco. I'll be back. Peace. Said I wasn't gonna buy anything and I bought a retractable leash for $37. Look how nice it is. It's meant for large dogs up to 110 pounds and she's 110 pounds. So she's a hefty girl. So this will be good. All right, peace. I'm gonna go. Bye. Okay, I forgot I did not like strawberry. I'm sorry, I was disgusting. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button, then like it, then dislike it, then like it again, then comment, delete your comment, comment again, then dislike, then comment, delete the comment, like, and then like your own comment, and then share my video to a family member or a friend. There's a lot of pulp in this one. I will catch you on the flippity flop side home slices. I'm so sorry. Okay, peace. Oh wow, okay, that was too manly. Peace.